In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a priority level icon and color in JIRA. Whether you're new to JIRA or just looking to customize your project management experience, this tutorial will guide you through these steps with ease, ensuring that your tasks are always organized and clearly prioritized. Let's dive in by heading over to the JIRA settings. You'll find this conveniently located under the gear icon at the top of your dashboard. Click on it to access all the back-end features that JIRA has to offer. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Work Items section. This area is your command center for managing every aspect of your project tasks. As you explore this section, you'll come across an option labeled Priorities. This is your destination for the day, since it's where we'll be implementing the changes. Once you're in the Priorities section, look out for a button or link that says Add Priority. Clicking this will bring up a new window or form where we can start crafting a new priority level tailored specifically for your project's needs. The first field you'll encounter is the Name field. Here, you should input the name of your new priority level. This is how you'll set it apart from the other priorities within your project. Choose a name that not only stands out, but also accurately reflects the level of urgency or importance of the tasks this priority level will be assigned to. Moving on, you have the option to add a description. Although this step is optional, it can be incredibly useful for providing additional context about what this priority level signifies. By doing this, anyone using the project can immediately grasp what the priority level entails, ensuring that tasks are prioritized correctly and efficiently. Next, it's time to choose an icon. This icon will visually represent the priority level throughout JIRA. Select an icon that resonates with the level of urgency or significance associated with the tasks. A well-chosen icon can help team members instantly recognize the importance of tasks, saving time and reducing oversight. After selecting an icon, you'll want to pick a color for the priority level. Colors are a potent visual cue that can greatly emphasize urgency. Whether you choose a calm blue or a striking red, ensure the color aligns with the priority's significance and stands out from other levels. This avoids any potential confusion, making task prioritization a breeze. Finally, after filling out all the necessary fields and making your selections, click Add Priority to finalize your new priority level. You should now see it listed among your other priority levels, eagerly awaiting assignment to tasks within your projects. And that's a wrap. By organizing your priorities with names, icons, and colors, you're setting your team up for success, enabling them to work more effectively and keeping your projects running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy prioritizing.